The vision and mission of Maverick Passenger Transport is to be successful in everything we do, with utmost emphasis on safety. Our hard work and tireless dedication yielded good results, and we have been trusted for this in over a decade. Even before COVID-19, our company sees to it that the sanitization and disinfection protocols, as per the guidelines of local authorities, are strictly adhered to. Everyone's health and safety are our top priority. That's why our drivers and bus attendants only use high-quality and proper personal protective gears, along with the materials needed for bus sanitization and disinfection. The product we use are both cleaner and disinfectant, and we only use safe and approved by the authorities. It is 99.99% effective on all bacteria, germs, and viruses. This includes COVID-19. We start cleaning from the ceiling. AC filters. Cockpit, or the driver's seat and dashboard. Once the driver is done cleaning his designated area, the bus attendant will then commence sanitizing and disinfecting all high contact areas and surfaces from the rear of the bus forward, starting from the window seats, top of the seats or headrest, including seat belts, cabin floor, handrails, and the bus door. We are confident that all of our buses are clean and hygienic from the inside out. Each bus has an adequate sanitization and disinfection supply needed. All Maverick buses are cleaned before every journey starts at all destinations. Once the bus is available for cleaning, we clean all areas within the cabin, and we do it systematically by starting from the top to bottom area, especially the high contact surfaces that need regular deep cleaning. Maverick, the name that you can trust for a safer, better, and reliable passenger transport.